Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So today what we're going to do is I'm going to revisit this video. Approximately 6 months ago I did this video about this unboxing of this Ego lawnmower, and I'll tell you, I had my doubts at first, and I decided that I would give it a whole entire season to do my yard and see if I liked it. Now obviously I don't mow all of my yard with the Ego lawnmower, but I do hit most of it, and you can see here from the way that it's cutting that it is actually pretty good, and for the most part it does a very good job. Typically when I'm mowing, I usually, since the day that I had the first comment which made me freaking unbelievably laugh to no end, where it was saying something about keeping my yard like a jungle or something of that nature. If I can find that comment, I will definitely post it down below. I haven't let it get as high as normal now. Obviously right now it is a little high because it is near the end of the season, and quite frankly it's getting slower to grow, and this should be one of the last times, if not the last time, before I get done mowing, that where it is be completely dormant, and I don't have to mow again until next year. Hopefully the batteries will last like most people say that they do. We're going to give it a whirl, and we'll see. Now I do know that from my other equipment that I've had in the past with my string trimmer and my blower, that it has been excellent. The batteries have held up. So we will see how this goes. So I'll give this a probably another year review at the end of next year. We'll revisit this video again, and we'll see just how good, or not good, I should say, that this mower is. I'm actually thinking about getting a DeWalt lawnmower and potentially even a blower and a weed eater. So I'm going to be doing those videos, and you may have already actually seen one of those videos, because I'm going to let probably those, at least maybe one or two, maybe even three, go before I give my final update on this Ego. You know, I don't know that I really need to keep all these lawnmowers, so I'm going to probably do something like a Ego versus DeWalt if that's the one that I choose to purchase. Just stay tuned. God bless, guys. Catch you on the next one. Have a great day.